Hello guys, this is UEE phone, the top quality and appearance of the used iPhone supplier. Today, we're gonna show you how is the quality of our used mobile phone. All the phones are finished the testing and will be shipped out today to our clients. For example, let's take this one. This one is iPhone 12, and now let me show you the appearance. By the way, this phone is original used iPhone A and A- grade, but you can check out all this appearance is almost A grade and A+ grade appearance. You can see the screen, no scratch. And also the battery will be more than 85% for all the phones. If the battery is below 85%, we will change a new battery. And all the phone we finish the test and ship to our clients, so our clients can directly sell them and sell them after 1 month. The returning rate of the phones will be below 1%.